Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install extensions on Zen Browser. Extensions let you add useful features to your browser, such as ad blockers, password managers, dark mode, translators, and many other tools. The installation process is simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Zen browser on your computer. Once the browser has opened, click the menu button in the top corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Add-ons and Themes. You can also open this page instantly by pressing Ctrl-Shift+A on your keyboard. The Add-ons Manager will now open. Here, you'll see the extensions currently installed on your browser. To find new extensions, click Find More Add-ons or use the search box at the top of the page. Now type the name of the extension you want to install. For this tutorial, I'll use uBlock Origin, which is one of the most popular browser extensions. After typing the name, press Enter to search. A list of search results will appear. Click on uBlock Origin by Raymond Hill to open its extension page. Here you can read information about the extension, see screenshots, check user reviews, and learn what the extension does before installing it. When you're ready, click the Add to Firefox button. Since Zen Browser is based on Firefox, it uses Firefox-compatible extensions, so you'll see this button instead of an Install button. A permission window will appear explaining what the extension can access. Read the permissions if you'd like, then click Add to continue with the installation. Wait a few seconds while the extension downloads and installs. When the installation is complete, you may see a confirmation message. If you do, simply click OK or Got it to finish the process. Now look at the browser toolbar and click the Extensions icon. You'll find your newly installed extension in the list. From here, you can open the extension, pin it to the toolbar for quick access, or manage its settings. If you ever want to disable or remove an extension, open Add-ons and Themes again, select Extensions, choose the extension you want to manage, and then click Disable or Remove. You can always reinstall it later if you change your mind. That's how easy it is to install and manage extensions in Zen Browser. Installing the right extensions can make your browsing experience faster, safer, and more productive. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this guide helped you learn how to install extensions on Zen Browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.